All right, guys, the time has come for the 2025 Explorer ST back here to receive some downpipes. Now, I have missed the sound of downpipe since my 21 Explorer ST because it really brings out the turbo noises. And here we have the CV Fabrication downpipes. It's gonna open the exhaust back up for me so I can get all the turbo whistle satisfaction that I want. Gives it a little bit deeper of a growl and it's going to sound good. But before we do that, we're gonna give this thing a couple revs and we'll show you what it sounds like prior to the downpipes and you'll see exactly what I mean. Let's go. All right, guys, this is where it all starts, doing your downpipe removal and reinstall with the new downpipes. This side, not too bad to get to, but it's always the passenger side that has no clearance up there. And a lot of it has to do with this heat shield that's on it. If this heat shield wasn't here, it wouldn't be quite as difficult to do. But stick with us and you'll see us get this bad boy off, get the CV Fab back on. Pesky little thing here. There it is. There's the passenger side downpipe. Scott, did you lower the subframe or anything?
No, we did not.
So, common problem with Explorer STs, these downpipes crack over time, and you can kind of see why they would do that. I could have welded it like this for sure. So these come with different style adapters than the last CV Fab downpipes. This is more of a J style. And comes with this nut right here too, so you can get the adapter in there, adjust it to where you need it, where you're gonna get plenty of clearance up there when you install them. This is where we landed at. We think this is gonna work pretty good, so we're gonna get this all tightened down. This is the passenger side, and we will get it bolted right back up. So we had a little bit of problem with the top O2 getting up in there. Once you were getting the downpipes kind of on the two studs, the top O2 sensor was hitting kind of the side insulation up there. What'd you do to get it to fit, Scott?
So basically, you go up there and you kind of push it back because it's kind of loose. You kind of pack it a little tighter, and it'll fit right up in there. And then it's away from it now, it ain't touching. Oh, looks good.
All right. Bradley ran into another problem.
Yeah?
I mean, I'd say problem, nothing that Scott here couldn't handle. Once we got the downpipe on, bolted up and whatnot, the top O2 sensor is in a little bit different position, so it's like really centered with the downpipe, whereas the stock one was a little off to the left. That little bit of measurement made the O2 sensor, the cord, whatever, a little bit too short to plug back into the factory, but Scott got it fixed up. What'd you do, Scott?
Yeah, so where the wire clips into the transmission, we popped it out, and then we got it plugged in, and I think it might go back in that clamp hole where it actually mounts once we get it plugged together. But to plug it together, it's got to come out.
Well, oh, hello, Bradley.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Both of them? Mounted up?
Hold on, I'm not ready.
All right, Scott got these all bolted up. We got all of our O2s plugged in. They are looking really good. Both of them came out really straight, headed towards the back. It's a good thing. It's what you would expect. Now it's time to put the mid pipes back on, take it outside, fire it up. Okay, little comparison video. Since the Thermal 2.5 came out along with the 3-inch, a lot of people want to know what the difference sound-wise is between the two. So over here, the red one, we have a 2.5-inch thermal with CV Fab downpipes, And the black one, we have a 3-inch thermal with CV Fab downpipes, and we'll give them both some revs to see the comparison between the two. Probably take each one down the road too, so you can hear what it sounds like under load. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the downpipe video. Got exactly what I wanted. We got a little more turbo noise, we got a little deeper of a growl. It's going to get a little bit louder over the next few weeks once we burn a little hot air through those downpipes. But it sounds great. Shout out to Scott for hooking me up with the downpipe install, especially with like different little odds and ends that we had to figure out with it. So over here at Dorton's Tire in Ork, Missouri, I don't know if you want me to say come to Scott if you need a downpipe install, but that's who did ours. We are out.